I'm Richard De Silva with Defence IQ here at Counter IED's 2010 in London, and I'm talking with Major Jan Boot of the Dutch MOD. Major Boot, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thanks.
First of all, I'd just like to ask, essentially, what lessons have we learned in the field of combating IEDs, either from the perspective of Dutch forces or from what you've seen throughout global forces?
Well, actually, your question has three parts in it. When you look at the prevent and predict side, what we've seen is that the biggest lessons learned is that we understand the problem in theater, know what is the problem of the local government, of the local security force, etc. And by understanding that problem in a proper way, we see that we find our role in a better way and get a better acceptation by the local population, and therefore get better human intelligence. So it gets safer for us. On the other hand, what you see is that, for example, mitigate, how do we protect our personnel by choosing for another design of vehicles or protection measurements for our own personal equipment. You see an increase of security for our own troops.
Okay, and obviously it's one thing to locate and dismantle these devices, but how much progress do you feel we've made in actually cutting off the networks or the supply chain that are actually delivering these things to the theatre?
Well, one of the things, of course, is very important is that you know how the insurgent is organized. So you have to know his system. And, of course, you can look at it in a theoretical way, but you have to focus how is the insurgent network organized in your own theater. So how is the command and control chain organized, how does he do his logistics, etc. If you have awareness of all those organizations, you could manage to look at it and see what countermeasures you could conduct to it to defeat the network. And we're making good progress in that.
Yeah, great. Thank you for your time.